In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take AnyDesk access, step by step, so you can connect to a remote computer quickly and safely. This is a simple process, but if you've never used AnyDesk before, it helps to know exactly what to click and what to ask the other person for. Whether you're helping someone with tech support, accessing a work device, or joining a remote session, this guide will walk you through it from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open AnyDesk on your computer. You want to wait for the application to load completely so all of the connection options appear properly. Once AnyDesk opens, you'll see the main interface where you can either allow someone to access your computer or connect to another device. In this case, we're focusing on how to take access to the remote computer using their AnyDesk address. Next, you need the other person's AnyDesk address. Ask them to open AnyDesk on their side and find their AnyDesk address or this desk ID. This is the number or code that identifies their computer inside AnyDesk. Make sure they give you the full address exactly as it appears, because even a small mistake can stop the connection from working. If you're on a support call or messaging them, it's always a good idea to double check the digits before moving on. Now go back to your own AnyDesk window and look for the remote desk field. This is where you enter the remote computer's AnyDesk address. Click inside that box and type or paste the address they shared with you. Take your time here and make sure it's entered correctly. If the address is wrong, AnyDesk won't connect to the right device, and you may end up wasting time trying to troubleshoot a simple typing error. Once the address is entered, click Connect. This sends a connection request to the other computer. At this point, your screen may pause for a moment while AnyDesk communicates with the remote device. That's completely normal. You just need to wait for the request to appear on the other person's screen. On their side, they should see a prompt asking whether they want to allow the connection. The final step is for them to click Accept. Once they approve the request, the remote session will begin, and you'll be able to access their computer depending on the permissions they choose to give you. In some cases, they may allow you full control, and in other cases, they may limit what you can do. That depends on their settings and the level of access they want to provide. And that's it. That's how to take AnyDesk access in just a few simple steps. Open AnyDesk, get the remote desk address, enter it into the remote desk field, click Connect, and have the other person accept the request. It's a fast and reliable way to start a remote session when you need to help someone or access another computer securely. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.